This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Janine Demello. This beauty checks all boxes. Heart of the Harbor View area. Immaculate .28 acre lot on cul-de-sac. Fourth bedroom is frog. Kitchen with Corian counters, gas cooking, and a handy island. The frog has a full bath. Great for multi-generational. Open floor plan with bonus flex room. Fully fenced, private setting with protected buffer. Extended parking pad. Gorgeous flooring and first floor primary suite, ensuite. Move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.